The first step is to load an image that we'll use for the VM. Let's use a simple Cirros image. Now let's create our first VM. We'll just call it test. It'll be in the default namespace. Cirros is a simple service, so this VM setup is pretty basic. For the disk, we'll use our recently created image. For this demo, I'll set the access mode to read-write many because later I want to show how to migrate that virtual machine. I'll add another disk with disk type blank, storage class Ceph, and I'll set the size to 1 GB. I'm using Ceph storage for both disks. And for networking, I select pod network with type masquerade, as one interface will suffice for this demonstration. And then I just hit create. Our new VM is automatically created in the stopped state. So now I go to the Actions menu and click on the plug icon to power it on. If we hit refresh, we will see the VM was created. Now, let's check which node our VM is running on. We can see it's node 0. Now, let's migrate the VM to a different node by simply clicking the forward arrow icon. Let's check on that process back in the terminal. We can see that one of the pods now shows status as completed, and if we switch back to the k0rdent Virtualization UI and hit refresh, we will see that now our VM has been migrated and has changed from node 0 to node 1.